Let's show you how to make a nest out of a plastic bottle. Take a plastic bottle, cut it round, whichever size you prefer. Use scissors or any cutter to cut the plastic as shown. Cut it all around. Use the bottom part of the plastic bottle to make the nest. You can use a tape or any Fevicol, Fevstick, anything to stick. I have used a tape to apply it on the outer part of the plastic bottle as shown in the video. Apply the tape or the Fevicol to the outer part of the plastic bottle as shown in the video, all around. Use any brown paper or any paper of whichever color you prefer. I have chosen brown color to make the nest. Cut the paper into thin pieces as it is shown in the video. If the paper cuttings are too big, then you can finely cut. I have made into fine piece so that it is easy to stick on the bottle. Once the paper cuttings are ready, you can apply it on the plastic bottle outside all around. The upper part of the plastic bottle is open, so you can cover it with anything you want, but I have tried to make it look like a house. So I have taken extra brown paper to make a top on top of the bottle as shown in the video. Take a piece of paper, cut it a circle, cut in the middle and take the other portion of the paper. Try to make a top out of it. Turn the paper and try to stick the ends as shown in the video. To hang the nest, you take the plastic part of the bottle, try to make 2 holes and pass thread inside so that you can hang the nest as shown in the video. Try to tie the thread on both the sides. Try to make a hole to the paper top so that you can pass the thread. Do it as it is shown in the video. Pass the thread through the hole and stick the end portion of the top to the plastic bottle with Fevicol as shown in the video, so that it doesn't loosen up. Is ready for the birds. Instead of disposing plastic bottles, you can use it for a good purpose to create pollution-free environment.